Yo, it's Giant G-Man representing for 4K Shella Energy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Click the bell to be notified.
So viewers and subscribers, Popcaan the sub-squash.
My protection but me no left my gun. Cause if me but me enemy no feel me I go run.
So viewers and subscribers, Popcaan the sub-squash. Yeah man, in the worstest way upon the media. And me no know if me need to take this serious, but you don't know say Popcaan are the type of person where he ever run joke, he ever do some foolishness. You see me? Popcaan are the type of fuckery man the way you would have in a high school days. You see me? Yeah man, but me no think Squash I go make this slide. Me feel like say Squash I go answer Popcaan and make Popcaan know himself in a type of way. But Popcaan the sub-squash and me go make you hear what I go on. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So the camera name directly upon Popcaan, but you don't know Popcaan voice already. You don't know how it sound. You see me? So Popcaan this sub-squash wicked as me say, and it's like they in this room and them a pre some of Popcaan achievements, and somebody asks Popcaan where the song name. Popcaan say feet, but some boy steal it and name it foot. Batty boy squash. You see me? But as me say, me not think Squash I go really sit down and take this. Me feel like say Squash I go say something about this. You see me? And me don't tell you already. Popcaan are the joke type of person. You ever do some fuckery. You see me? But as me say, me don't know if me need to take this as serious like that, or me just look past it and say, yo, Jano, a Popcaan I do some fuckery again. You see me? Squash now go meds it. But on the other hand, he can basically be serious about it. And as me say, maybe Squash reply to this, maybe not. But we have to just wait and see. So leave it in the comment section and let me know when you think about it. If Popcaan a joke or when you feel say Popcaan serious about it. You see me? Yeah man.
Charge up my brain. One shot of any and my gone up a space. Keep my eyes open and all if you care. Yo Sparta, yo Mobile.
So viewers and subscribers, and the first I'm going to talk about this artist and it's not going to be the last. El Patch released his latest single when he Money Are the Product, and you need to go check it out. I need you to go over there as I say subscribe, follow up in movement, drop a bag of flames under the song, and as always make you know say a 4K send you over there. So but you don't know so enough to do that still, but yeah man. So El Patch released his latest single named Money Are the Product, and me I tell you say it's a song where you can vibe to, anybody can vibe to it. I don't know say if I know money are the product, brother, then me no know. You see me? So you don't know enough viewers. Money are the product. You see, when I listen to the song, it's like it gives you a little motivational. It's like a motivational talk. You see me? You just want to put in the hard work. I don't know say at the end of the day are the money are the product. You see me? If I know money, then as me say, me no know what. Everybody need money in our life. You see me? And as me say, this song is very simple and we need the type of song in a dance car. And every day we're going to want to get up and listen about chopping and scamming. You see me? Same thing. But you get to me and say sometimes we need to listen to some positive songs, and El Patch are the type of person where he give you the song there. You see me? Yeah man. So I need you to check it out as me say El Patch, big up yourself bad bro. And you don't know you go further. So viewers and subscribers, subscribe to the channel 4K Shella Energy Road to 1K. You see me? 4K. As always, I'm out.
Cause I'm on the high product. Me stand alone like stone love. You better know that, yeah.
Reflex